Oh, it's a Rari. What the fuck? Ooh.
He wants to race you for a bust. Like that Jitsu said he's got at least 10 lengths on him.
Going on YouTube? SRT8 boost kicking it live. Just going for a rip on the highway. We're actually I'm gonna meet my buddy. He's actually got a Ducati Diavel the V4. Looking forward to seeing it in person. Should be nice. It's the black and red one. Beautiful bike. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna roll out. We're actually going up north to like a car meet. Apparently it's pretty nice. A lot of people show up, and like I was explaining in the last video there's so many strict rules in my neighborhood, right? So now we're forced to go somewhere else, you know? Okay, that's what they want. Alright, see the fuck later, you know? It is what it is. Anywho. Yeah, idiot drivers. Like, oh, we're on the highway. Let's do Main Street fucking speeds. Ridiculous. I got the my wife got me an Ogio, I think that's how you say it, OGIO. It's like one of those bullet style knapsacks. Anyway, the thing's friggin' beautiful. It's like black with it's got some red on it, red accents and whatnot. It's like kind of like carbon fibery looking, and yeah, it's pretty sick. Pretty sick. I got it on me. It's really deflecting the wind very nicely. Like this bike, I'm sure those of you that have it know that yeah, it's not particularly well for wind deflection on the highway. So mind you, it's hot as balls outside, and I am not hating this wind at all, but yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm a big guy, right? But I'm getting slapped around here. It's actually kind of funny. Little fellow biker just ripped by. That's my buddy. Yeah, nice views out here. I know it's farmland and everything, but, you know, still beautiful. Okay. Fuck. Alright. Oh yeah, good song, good song. In the headset, it's The Pursuit of Happiness. Freaking great song. Kid Cudi, but it's the obviously the club remix, the EDM style one. Cutting in, oh yeah. fuck happened to that place? God damn. Well, this is shit. Stuck doing 116 on the highway. Sorry about that. I got hiccups. Oh my god, you like rest your neck for a second, and it's like the wind just says, you know what? I'm gonna slap you. And boom. Well, I gotta say, this is the furthest I've gone on the highway yet. Yeah, a couple episodes there ago, when I took you guys on the highway, it was fun. It was fun. Just, I wish the seat was a little more comfy. Again, not complaining by any means, but, you know. Love this damn bike. Friggin' sexy as hell. Ooh, that was a big bump. Ass breaker. Anyway, it's a good little ride for now. I'll hook you guys back up once I meet up with my buddy. Until then. Alright, we're back. That's my buddy's Diavel. Fucking beautiful, man. Beautiful. I got a feeling he's gonna haul ass right now. And I probably can't keep up. Yeah, gorgeous bike. It was funny, I was stuck between that one and this one. But because it come with, you know, dirt bike world and everything, I thought, okay, you know what, I have to own this bike that I'm on, right? But, I don't know, the next one, maybe that, or a Street Fighter, one or the other. I love the nakeds, right? Not really a fairing guy, so. Fucking, this is getting slow here, huh? Oh, it's a Rari. It's a fucking old school one. Not really a fan. Any of the old school ones. I like the F40. That's a fucking sexy bike. Sorry, car, not bike. Jesus. There we go. That's a little better. It was like fucking molasses before. Jesus. Oh man. Big ass fucking bug on my fucking visor. Cocksucker. That was a sick pop, man. Ah! Wonder if my bike does that. Shit, last time I was up here, I was, went to that private course there with the dirt bike, and my father came too, with the Raptor. It was in and around this area. I can't tell you where it was. Anyway, I'll start her back up when maybe when we get to the show there and have a little walk around. All right. All right, so we hooked up with everybody. They're in the block truck. I gotta go see what's going on at this car meet. Word on the street is because it rained so much, it might not have happened. So yeah, shit happens, I guess. Whatever, it was still a fun ride. Doesn't matter. What is it, blinking?
Light.
Whose?
The light.
Why? What the fuck?
Flashing.
What's flashing? I'm fucking, you're fucking dick. Oh, that's sick. I guess you can rip with ATVs here. Oh, goody. Some nice speed bumps. I mean, not like this bike can't take it or anything, but well, who the fuck would even know this was even here? Elevation? Ooh.
He wants to race like that Jitsu said he's got at least 10 lengths on him. He drove by, he already told me. I'll dust it. I don't think you have enough. All the power. You're gonna go bring it in the truck?
Fuck it, why not?
Why not?
Alright, go ahead.
I don't know where I'm going.
Me neither. We'll figure it out. Meow. Oh, wow, that's a great turnout.
told you it was a dud.
Well, the show was a bust. There was probably a total of maybe 4 cars there, and and that's about it. And we left. So it is what it is. Still a fun ride though. Had a good time. Whatever. Anyway, just gonna go back to my buddy's house here and potentially have a coffee, and maybe I'll throw in a night ride. See what happens. All right. Well, guys, not much of a car meet, but whatever. It's okay. We still had fun, right? Fuck, these are weird vehicles. But I mean, why not? Anyway, I thought I'd give you a little bit of a highway ride here. Of course, you know, now that I got stuck behind a goddamn truck, but whatever. That's better. You know, God forbid everybody did that. Just move the fuck over. That's all. Whatever. Fuck common courtesy. Somebody right up my house. Yeah, see, this portion of the highway's a lot more well lit, I want to say. Where I was before, it was literally pitch black. So, not so good for filming. But whatever. And you know what? Getting off right fucking here. Yes, back in the neighborhood. Back in my neck of the woods. You wait there, buddy. Fuck you! Yeah, you know what? Highway riding's fun. It's a lot of fun. No lights. It's great. It's friggin' awesome. Oh yeah. Pop that clutch, baby. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.